353985. We're actually at an office block today in Staffordshire. We're doing like a 24 radiator system. One boiler in the property, in the offices, feeding 24 radiators. So it's quite a large system. Quite a few of the radiators, about 5 or 6 of the radiators weren't working downstairs and a couple upstairs. But we've actually broken through the blockages now. We've been here quite a long time already, and we've broken through the blockages by power flushing the central heating system, and we're still in the process of power flushing the central heating system. We'll show you the colour of water, very black, full of rust and corrosion. We've got the Camco FX2 chemical in there, we've got the magnet hooked up. So we've cut the flow and return pipes to the boiler, and we've hooked in to the circuit through there, and we'll flush the boiler separately later. Okay, so basically it's a commercial power flush today that we're doing. So we also do household power flushes. We're quickly going to explain what power flushing is, the benefits of power flushing, and the reasons you should consider using me, Barry Ayres, for your power flush, etc. Okay, so my name's Barry Ayres, as I said before, of Pro-powerflushing. I'm the actual engineer who does the power flushing work. I'm a fully gas safe registered engineer, which is very important. We sometimes need to get into the boiler, you know, clean components in the boiler, and you know, if your power flush company, if they're not gas safe registered, they really ought to be. If they're getting into the boiler, they need to be basically, otherwise they'd be breaking the law. So very important. We're gas safe registered. So they are. Okay, so what is power flushing? Power flushing, professional power flushing, that is what we do, that is what we specialise in. It's basically just a means of flushing through all your central heating system, through your radiators, your boiler, your pipe work, getting all the rust and corrosion out of the system. You know, blockages in pipe works like there were today in this system, clearing that and basically getting your system up and running again, reviving your central heating system basically. We sometimes go to systems that are practically grinding to a halt, and after the power flush, you know, the system's up and running like new again. Nice free pipes, free boilers, free heat exchangers freed up, all the rust and corrosion flushed out of the system. We only do it the hard, awkward way. As you can see, we've taken the pipes up there because the boiler's over there in the corner. We've had to take the pipes upstairs today to flush into the main system, the main pipes through the central heating system. We don't just do it the cheap sort of nasty way by pulling a radiator off. We do it the awkward way basically, but the awkward way is the best way. Okay, we've literally done hundreds of power flushes, and we actually believe we're one of the best power flush companies in the country. Just come across so many different situations and learnt by them, so we really do know what we're doing. We only use the best equipment and chemicals, being a Camco range of pumps, magnets and chemicals, as we said before. Our work is fully certificated to BS 7593 standard. Basically, if you've got a British Gas contract or home serve, Eon, etc., this is all okay with your service provider, whether it be British Gas, home serve, Eon, etc. The pH TDS levels are taken before and after the power flush, and indeed most of our customers are actually British Gas customers. Okay, so if you wanted to save some money, you know, at today's British Gas prices, you're going to be saving in excess of £300 if you use me for your power flush. Okay, I'm based in Bramall in Stockport, Manchester, and I cover a 60 to 70 mile radius of our hometown, hence me being in Stafford today for this power flush. So if you're within that area, that's basically Cheshire, Lancashire, parts of Stafford, parts of Derby, parts of Nottinghamshire, parts of Yorkshire, for your power flushing service, just give me a call, and I'm sure we can come and sort your central heating system out. We also supply and fit boilers. We always power flush the central heating systems, so there's another thing. You know, it's so important to get your system power flushed if you're having a new boiler fitted. We could go to a lot of systems that are a few months old sometimes, and they've broken down because the engineers have not power flushed the central heating system. We're not talking about all engineers, of course, but we're talking about a lot of them. A fair few of them don't actually power flush the central heating system when they're fitting the boiler. Okay, but we do. It's the best thing you can do to your central heating system, power flushing your central heating system. Okay, we've got a lot to do. We'll get back to you later. We'll show you the magnet, see what we're picking up out of the system. We know it's going to be fairly heavy because of the colour of that water. So we'll just get back to you later. Okay. Hi, Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing. Okay, just back to this job in Stafford. We're doing the downstairs circuit in this building now. Just put the magnet on bypass, let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, wow. Look at that. Now this is rust, metal and corrosion that's in the central heating system. And this is what power flushing is all about. You imagine that going through your new boiler, or any boiler for that matter, especially combination boilers with small plate heat exchangers, the actual coiled heat exchangers as well. They're not very large inside the new heat exchangers now. Through your pump, through your valves, your flow sensors, flow switches, etc. You know, eventually it's just going to wreck it. If you don't get this stuff out your central heating system, the damage this can do is quite unbelievable. It can just write your boiler off, basically. Not only that, if you have had a fairly new boiler recently, and you know, it's not been power flushed properly, if the boiler breaks down, your manufacturer's warranty may not be honoured, because if they find all this rust and corrosion in there, they'll just say it's not been cleaned to BS 7593 standard, which it should have been. Okay? So this is what it's all about. There's some fairly big pieces on there as well. So the job's going alright, and we'll just get back to you later on. Thanks. Hi Barry, here's Pro-power flushing, okay? Water is very nice and clean now. We took the pH 2DS readings of it. We've broken the seal actually in front of the customer. So we're just going to break it some more and add the inhibitor into the central heating system. This way it gets round all the radiators, etc. We can trap it in the system. Okay, our phone's going off. We're going to let that circulate around for 10 or 15 minutes and put everything back together. Okay Barry, here's Pro-power flushing. That's the power flush done now. All the radiators are heating up really nicely, so the job's a complete success. So if you need any power flushing done, this is in Stafford today, just give me a call on telephone number 07836 353 985 or contact us through our website, okay? Pro-powerflushing.co.uk, okay? Thank you.